Hello, good morning. Thank you for calling Lev's Restaurant. How may I help you?
Good morning. I want to have an reservation in Tuesday
Okay, ma'am. For how many person po?
for two persons.
For two person. Okay. May I know who is in the line, ma'am?
Kate Flomino.
Okay, Miss Kate Flomino. Ma'am, what time would you like the reservation for?
We would prefer 7 p.m. or 7:30 p.m.
Okay, Tuesday for at 7 p.m. All right, ma'am. Your reservation is all set. We will see you on Tuesday at 7 p.m.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you again, ma'am, for calling Levis Restaurant. Ma'am, welcome to Levis Restaurant. How may I help you?
I have a reservation here
Okay, ma'am, let me check first. Um, for how many person po, ma'am?
for two person only.
For two person. May I know your name, ma'am?
I'm Kate Sandra Flomino.
Please. Okay. Um, your reservation is at 7 p.m., right?
Yes.
Okay. This way, ma'am, your table is table number 2.
Alright, thank you.